Okay. For example, I'm just giving a simple example in my scenario today. For example, if I want to build a website in Web 3.0, and how I can hire a people, how I can hire the people with the 3D technology, and how actually I can promote my website into the Web 3.0. So there are a lot of challenges, but there is a very, very big opportunities in a business as well as the entertainment industry as well as the gaming. In a business, in the sense e-commerce or ERP or whatever the business, it is going to cover because we need kind of visualization in real time because it is a completely P2P connection. So if you are a client and service provider are there, directly it will interact to the client and service provider. Okay, and yeah, I will go for the next slide then. So this is what actually many companies already started to working for the a kind of meetings. So there is no need of meeting again with Nehal Kumar. Please, can you? Yeah, there is a pointer is there in Nehal Kumar. Please don't do it. Thank you. So, I mean, you can nowadays actually you are seeing me in a single 2D screen. But if you are connecting with a metaverse platform like this, you all will maybe in 118 people along with me, 117 people plus me. So we'll be connected in a simple, kind of the hall, and then we can speak with our avatar, and we can getting our message to convey. So that is what many companies are actually promoting. Any kind of board meeting or any kind of project discussion, we can share our screen in a parallelly, and then we can speak, and then we can make the 3D model of whatever we are going to do the product, and we can share it in real time. I mean, real time is a virtual space, and then we can make it as a engaged meeting. So this is what the future is about. So for that, there is lot of challenges and lot of opportunities also there. You need to define what is your technology, and you need to customize the application based on your needs. And you can import some kind of application of the 3D, applications, and from that you can work in on that. So if you have any doubt, you may please ask anytime. And any guesses where this is cities and why actually I have marked as the some curve? San Francisco to Delhi city. So just guess me. You can guess where is this actually this location?
It's US, sir.
Good,
California.
good. Yeah, very nice.
Yes.
Silicon Valley. Yeah, very nice. Okay, so I am glad to have this kind of enthusiastic, answers. I am so very happy. So okay, so now in a Web 2.0, that is the Silicon Valley is the birthplace of Web 2.0. So now all the startups probably those who are ruling in our day-to-day life, Facebook and Twitter, everyone they have emerged from that. Even though Apple, from the Silicon Valley.
Even
So,
my company, sir.
Oh, I'm glad. Okay.
Cisco.
So what's your company?
It's Cisco.
Cisco. Oh, nice. Okay. So what could be the Web 3.0? Still Silicon Valley? Any guesses? Don't Google it, please. And I mean, Google also cannot answer for this.
All around the world.
All around the world. Yeah, probably because of virtualization.
It might be in the Meta platform.
Again, please. Tell me again.
Metaverse, maybe.
Which one? Which one?
Metaverse.
Yeah, Metaverse is a platform. I'm talking about the physical place in the world. I mean, who is the emerging companies in a Web 3.0 to rule the world? Upcoming. Okay, I will give the answer. Probably my answer may change, but now at present is actually Dubai. Okay. Because there are a lot of companies have registered in Dubai in Web 3.0. Probably they may be Indians or they may be Americans or maybe Russian, whatever may be. But that is a hub for Web 3.0, even though for cryptocurrencies, as well as the NFT technologies, and also with the metaverse, AR and VR companies. Okay, that's kind of observation because I am in one team. So we have observed that Meta completely, I mean, Web 3.0 can be emerged from the Dubai. Okay, that's a small information to you. If you are agreed, yeah, SpaceX is the platform. I mean, it's a company, right? It's a completely a company. Yeah, single owner, right? Okay. So even though in our own appearance will be modified as a gamified, and we will be play the games instead of we are speaking it. So for example, if I want to visit somewhere, so we can I just go instead of I'm going, I can my virtual avatar will go and I will be operate the virtual avatar and it will play
இந்த டேட்டாலாம் வச்சுட்டு அட்டென்ஸ் கரெக்ஷன் பக்கம்லாம் போகவே முடியாது.
Excuse me. Any answers or you was talking? Okay. So I'm going for the next slide. So Walmart enters the metaverse with a completely experience of the shoppers. So when it was published, September 26. It's very, very new, probably between a month of news. Less than a month. And yes, and Flipkart also jumps into metaverse platform from this Diwali. So how much time we have for Diwali?
Couple of weeks, sir.
About a week or 2 weeks, right? So we are exciting to we see the metaverse platform for the Flipkart that's we call as Flipverse. So that is going to be reached in a Web 3.0 concept. So now actually we are in very much urgency should be equipped with the Web 3.0 concept. Okay, so where there is no alternate way, we have to enhance our skills and complete, skill set to the Web 3.0 technologies. So I'm just playing a small video which is created for the Dubai. Hope you can see that. It's a completely 3D animated in a metaverse. So if it is the people are telling you can buy the office space in metaverse, and even though you can book the apartment, but there should be a centralized one, even though it is a decentralized, but domain names and those things can be centralized. So then only it is possible to buy this kind of virtual space or virtual objects in and buying and selling. Okay. So my guess is about not only in e-commerce, even though ERP, supply chain management, and CRM is going to enter the metaverse in a future. This is my Facebook feed. So far, I mean, I'm just posted in 23 hours ago. It was liked by almost 200 people, and including you, I think, whether you liked or not. Because all the softwares, I mean the frameworks can be used in a metaverse platform so that peer-to-peer connections can be established by using a metaverse platform. This is one of the wild case. Not only this technology, even though virtual reality and hologram, 3D printing, and artificial photosynthetics for the without any polluting atmosphere, we can get the powers. And 5G technology. 5G is the biggest. It is the technology which can be enable the metaverse or any kind of Web 3.0 concept. And are you augmented?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Can I know what is P2P connection? I think
it's a peer-to-peer connection, ma. Right now, actually, you speaking and I am listening. I speak and you listening. At the same time, all of our, your friends also listening, right?
Yes, sir.
But if I am speaking, only you are listening. If you are speaking, I am only listening. That's a peer-to-peer connection.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So, and also the super brain, like, kind of computing and drone technology. These are the upcoming technology will be supporting for the Web 3.0. So from the artificial intelligence, the quantum computing and digital medicine, because the medicine is going a very big, very, very big opportunities are there in medicines, especially from the simple, conversation to the doctor. So no need of visiting to the doctor physically. You can do the, conversation with the doctor, even though in a virtual mode with the metaverse platform. So these are the supporting technologies will be giving a support for the Web 3.0. So this is my one of the recent video in Doordarshan, which is the how actually we are making.
இப்போ
Actually, Kamil,
வந்து கால் டாக்ஸில தான் வந்து வந்துருச்சு, மொபைல் ஆப் மூலமா வந்துருச்சு. 5G வந்ததுன்னா கால் டாக்ஸி டிரைவர் வந்து ஒர்க் ஃப்ரம் ஹோம் பண்ண முடியும். என்ன சொல்றீங்க? ஏன்னா அவங்க வந்து ஒரு சிமுலேஷன் சாஃப்ட்வேர் வந்து அவங்க வீட்ல இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணிட்டு, வீட்லயே ஒரு ஆபீஸ்லயே இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணிட்டு அதை ஆப்ரேட் பண்ணாங்க.
I will translate in
கால் டாக்ஸி
English,
வந்து
okay?
இங்க ஓடும். சோ இப்போ 3 பேர் உட்கார கால் டாக்ஸில டிரைவர் இல்லாம 4 பேர் உட்கார முடியும்.
So what is my, I mean, conversation is about in Doordarshan means,
இப்போ
I mean, if we have a 5G technology along with the Web 3.0, even the call taxi can be operated from the remote because we have a high-speed internet connection. So the call taxi driver can be kind of using of the simulated, software, which is can be created by using a metaverse or Web 3.0, and they can operate in their office or anywhere, and the call taxi will be on a road. Can you agree on this? Because since we are in a different part of the world, but even though we are connected in a real time in our whatever the connection right now we are having in internet, but if we are having internet connection more than 30 times, okay, speeder than now, then it is possible to operate any kind of things in a wireless, so that even though call taxi also can be operated from the remote. Can you agree?
Yes, sir.
Shall
Yes,
I?
sir. Sure.
Oh, okay. So this is what the future is about, not future. Actually, we already entered into that future because since the Walmart is already open for the metaverse platform, and the Flipkart is already there. They are going to launching from this Diwali. So probably already there. So what are the skill set actually we need to train on there? Just opening the skill set. Just a minute. So the skill sets are actually, there are a lot of demand for the developer. There is nearly 31% of the developer need to, right now, what is the currently, what is that demand? 31% of the developers and 10% of the JavaScript, if you know the JavaScript, and marketing people, if you are good in marketing, that's a 9% of the demand is there. Blockchain for 7%. And for finance people, not only if you have a technology people, even though if you know the finance, there is a need of the 5%, and sales, analyst, operation, front-end developer. So completely the Web 2.0 and Web 3.0 is changed, because the front-end developer is the highest job market in Web 2.0. But right now the front-end developer is only the 3% of the demand. So rest of the things are occupied, in a massive metaverse architecture. Is a virtual real experiences discovery, and AI ethical computer, blockchain decentralization, and human interface with using AR and VR, and completely it will be the digital twin. That is the component of the architecture for the metaverse. You are got the points. So these are the 7 layers about the metaverse, which can be the final one is experience and discovery, and creator economy. Creator economy means how, if I creating it, what kind of benefits I am going to getting it. And statical computing, that's a 3D engines, and decentralization by using blockchain technology, human interface using a mobile or wearables or a head-mounted display, And in future, probably 5G technology, Wi-Fi 6.6, and 6G and cloud and these kind of technologies. I saw an article in the Hindu paper. And metaverse is the combination of these things, can be e-commerce, social media, virtual workspace, wearable technology, digital assets, and shopping and business model.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, please mute everyone. There are a lot many people who's on unmute.
Yeah, I can also understand it, but the thing is, I can mute some people only, which is available in my screen. Maximum 10 people only I can see in my screen. I'm just looking it now. Okay. Actually, we are in the end of the session now. I'm sorry because I have to finish it before 6:50. Probably all now everyone is actually muted. Correct?
22.
Yeah. So tomorrow is our national leader, inspiring leader Kalam's birthday. So as per his course, I just finishing this session because it's a very too short. But even though we have a question and session, then we can clear your doubts. As a young citizen of India, armed with the technology, we have to arm with the technology and love for the nation. Realize the small aim is so we have to aim for the big aim, and as per the Kalam words. And the internet is not bad for creative people. Web 2 is the bad for creative people. So absolutely, Web 3.0 is very good for the creative people. So you can have to enhance your knowledge in Web 3.0. Surely you will be, if you are a creative, surely you can win the goal. Okay. So thanks for Zoom because we are presenting an SRM. Canva is only platform. Actually, I made it because of the cloud infrastructure. Okay. Now my presentation is over. If you have any doubts or queries or any questions, you may please ask them.